I've been asked to divide this trinomial by a binomial, and I'm going to use the area model in order to do the division. So I follow the same pattern. I put my first term in the first box and my last term in the last box. But this time, instead of in factoring, this time I've been given the divisor. So I'm going to go ahead and put my divisor up here at the top, and I'm going to use my area model by dividing this time. So what I know for sure is I know that this top corner up here, I've got all the pieces I need to get that information. So I know that 3x squared divided by x will give me my outside piece of 3x. And now I'm going to multiply. So to get into this top right box, I'm going to multiply 3x times -2. That's my length times my width. So 3x times -2 gives me -6x. And now what I need is to find out this third box. And when I'm doing this third box, if I think about how the whole area model works, I know that this diagonal, this peanut pair, has to equal the middle term of my trinomial. So I know that my -6x plus whatever I put in that box has to equal -5x. So I'm just going to solve this really quick for the box. That's my unknown. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides. And what I'm left with is my box. And what my box equals is 6x minus 5x is x. So I know that all I have to put in the box is an x. And I can double check it and say, is -6x plus x -5x? Yes, so I have the right information. And now reminding myself that I'm dividing, so I'm going to have to divide what's in my box by the length I've been given. So x divided by x is 1. So I'm going to put a 1 out here. Now if the divisor they gave me is a factor, I'm done. If not, I'll have to find my remainder. So to find out if I had a factor, I'm just going to look. These all work. These work. But when I take -2 times 1, it does not give me -22. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply. So -2 times 1 gives me -2. I'm going to bring it down here below. So let's do that in red. So I got in black -2. And after I multiply, now I have to subtract. So I'm subtracting this -2 from the -22. So if I'm subtracting a negative, minus negative becomes a plus. So -22 plus 2, -22 plus 2 equals -20. That's my remainder. So to write my answer, I just put the answer of 3x plus 1 plus my remainder of -20 over my divisor of x minus 2.